Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies vegan. To start, understanding the core differences is key. Vegan cookies simply mean no animal products are used. This involves replacing ingredients like dairy butter, eggs, and milk with plant-based alternatives. It's easier than you might think to achieve delicious results. The heart of vegan baking lies in smart substitutions. For butter, choose a good quality vegan stick butter. Eggs can be replaced with a flax egg, which is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, or even 1/4 cup of applesauce. Any plant-based milk works perfectly, and always double-check your chocolate chips for dairy-free certification. Now for the baking process. Start by creaming your vegan butter and sugars until they are light and fluffy, just like with traditional cookies. Gradually add your dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix the dough. Chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes is a crucial step for preventing spread. Then, bake your delicious cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. To achieve your perfect vegan chocolate chip cookies, remember a few final tips. You can adjust the flour amount slightly to get a chewier or crispier cookie. Always opt for high-quality, certified vegan chocolate chips for the best flavor. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Once baked, store your cookies in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.